welcome back to e-class time. Dear friends, today we are going to see about class 6. Okay, class 6 English 1 chapter 6, the sea route to India. Now what is the meaning of route? The route means the way, not merely on the land, not only on the land. The word route means the way can be on the land also, it can be in the water also. How is it possible to have a road in the water? It is meant that when we go to the ship, we take a direction, no, using ship, that is known as route. Okay, dear friend. So here in this chapter we are going to see about something like that, about the route. Okay, how to India. This is, I'm trying to show half part of the world map. This is Africa, this is Asia, and of this it is India. Here I am showing Portugal, here I am showing Egypt, here down it is Cape of Good Hope. Here one place is there in Africa. Okay, so the whole story is centered, okay, within this place only. Prior to that, let me tell you, people, let me ask you, do you like visiting from one place to another? Obviously in your mind most of you are saying yes, I do like. If my next question comes like this, why do you like to visit to a particular place regularly? Do you like to visit a place very regularly? Why? Then you may say yes, because there is a waterfall in this place, so every time I want to go. Okay, some of you may say because my grandparents' house is there, I love them, so I want to go. So something or the other makes you happy, that is why you go to that place, because of your benefit, because of your profit. Okay, same thing in our India also, something was there because of which people from all over the world wanted to come, and they came also. So when people come like that from one place to another and go it is known as exploring. Going to a new place and finding out, no, it is known as exploring. Okay, dear friends, now let us try to see what the story is all about from your book on page 25. In the whole book, what it is telling, there is a group of people in the Portugal, they are known as Portuguese. Okay, this area is cold. That part we will know it afterwards. First of all, let us see about this. These Portugal people, they were coming through water and entering Africa down here. Okay, and they were doing the business of gold. Africa is well known for gold. Okay, so they were trying to find gold from there and go and sell it. Okay, but this was not benefit for them, because gold was not in much demand those days, maybe because it was in plenty, so they were not benefiting according to their expectation. They wanted more benefit, they were getting less, these Portugal people. Okay, so what happened, and in 1481 in Portugal one new king came, and the name of that king was John, and since by name he was the second person who became king, so his name is he is told as John II. Second person by name John is becoming king, so name is named as John II. So John II became king, and he understood that not gold, India is having spices. What is this spices? Masala, black pepper, okay, jeera powder, dhania, all the chilies, all these masalas are in India. So if we go to India and get the masala and sell to the people, we'll get more money. Sir, is leaving gold, coming to buy masala, take masala from India, is it so demand, is it so costly? Yes, okay, it is really costly. These places are cold, dear friends. Okay, cold area. So in the cold area now, people like to put more masala, more chili, and eat food, so that your body will remain hot, because the place is cold. Now which is keeping you healthy, which is keeping you hot, warmer, that is, those spices were in high demand, because people love it. Everyday people use it. Okay, everyday people use it. That is why these Portugal people thought, let us go to India and find the spices and sell it, do the business with it. They wanted to come through sea route. Why through sea route? Because those days it was not Portugal, it was Egypt. Okay, Egypt, this area, they were coming through Asia. India is after Asia, under Asia. Okay, Asia is a continent, India is the country. So this Egypt people were coming to India, okay, this way entering India and taking the spices from India. And what were they doing? They were selling it to the European countries, people here, and they were getting more money. For them it was not possible because they are doing it. So if they want to come from this side and enter India and take, they will fight. You are going to take my thing. We have booked the spices and you want to go. That is why they did not dare to come this way and enter India. So they thought, this king thought, let me go, let my people go through the sea route, sea way, and go to India and take spices for us so that we can do business. Okay, dear friends. Now, in the year 1478, he kept 2 ships ready, and 2 ships ready and 1 leader. The leader name is Bartholomew Dias. He is good at taking the ship and going around, because those days ship was not like today's. It was always the wind. So you should know the direction of the wind, which side wind is blowing. Okay, and accordingly you go. So that one expert was there, name as Bartholomew. So king wanted Bartholomew to go to India, and with him 2 ships. These people started their journey from here through water. They came down. There is a place known as Cape of Good Hope. Okay, so when these people came down here, you know, dear friends, in the sea there are storms, strong wind blowing, waves, water waves are always there, and they were supposed to land here at least. Okay, because this Cape of Good Hope is well known for them, but they couldn't because of the storm. This was known as earlier it was known as Cape of Storm. In this place so much of storm was happening, okay, taking place. So what happened, their ship hit with a girl and it went down. It was blown away, okay, taken away the other side. They were all afterwards, what happened, they were all tired to come back. Okay, from this place, after 13 days, this Bartholomew, he was not afraid. He was very courageous person, okay, very well known sailor, no. So he started looking for nearby land. Okay, dear friends, then he saw a place here. From down here, when he saw, he looked to the east side. Okay, he looked to the eastern side and he could see a piece of land by name Mossel Bay in the Indian Ocean. This is Indian Ocean. Okay, now he wanted to go there, but the crews, the people in the ship, they were so tired, said, no, will not go. Who knows, there may be again storm. So they forced him to go back to this place known as Cape of Storm. After reaching there, he was so happy. At least now we know this is not the end. Okay, this is not the end. That side again land is there. He was so happy that from here to the eastern side again land is there. We can go. That hope was there. That is why this Cape of Storm he changed and gave the name of Cape of Good Hope. Why Good Hope? Because from there he was hoping to get land again in the ahead. Okay, he could understand that part. Okay, and permanently that place was named as Cape of Good Hope. And they also returned back. Okay, dear friends, they returned back and explained everything to the king. But king always understood this place will be named as Cape of king renamed it. Sorry, not Bartholomew. King renamed it because king understood from here. King understood that from here again there is land, so we can go ahead again. Okay, halfway they have found sea route. Rest they have not found. They will find that also. That hope was there. Okay. So Bartholomew was sent. Bartholomew did not succeed. Came up to here. He could see only this and went back. India is still here. Okay. In the next video, we shall see who comes, or if the one who comes, whether he succeeds or not. Okay, dear friends. Till then, you read the book. You read by yourself once. Try to find out all the hard words. Okay. You don't know the meaning. Search for the meaning in the dictionary and keep yourself updated with the books at least up to this portion, so that in the next video when I explain, you get good connection of it and you understand everything well. Okay, dear friends, see you all in the next video. Till then, stay in, stay safe and take care.